My name is Mandy, and this is my very first YouTube video ever, so please be patient with me. I wanted to do a little video on my double stroller. When I was researching, I couldn't find any video on it whatsoever on YouTube or anywhere else, so I wanted to help the next mom and dad out by making this little video. So, here goes. This is the Baby Trent Sit and Stand Snap Fit Morning Mist. It weighs about 32 pounds. Um, and the capacity for each seat is 50 pounds. So your bigger children can still sit in it, which is awesome. Now, these are all the configurations. Now, I will be showing you everything but the car seat. And the reason for that is because I bought an adapter that I thought would fit it, considering that Baby Trent doesn't have a car seat adapter for it. I thought another brand might, and it did not. So as far as I can tell, the only kind of car seats that are capable for it are the Snap Fit car seats. So, anyway, here goes. Now, putting it together, it's a basic snap, and you're done. Now, with the seats, you do have to snap in the bumper bars. The canopy goes around, it's got a piece on the bottom that actually goes around the frame, and you have to make sure that it snaps in place. And then, you have to put the wheels together. The back wheels gave me a little bit of an issue, just a touch. It's probably me and not the stroller, but it took me a minute to get it just right where it would actually snap in place for me. But I got it. Anyway, so now here's the wheels. Now, with this technology, okay, these are the brakes. There's two, one on each wheel. Now, if you only push it down once like we would normally do with strollers, you see how it still moves, right? You have to actually push it in twice until you hear that click. Okay? And see, now it's not moving because it's locked. Now, it does have the sit and stand capacity here with the holster strap to keep them from going too far. Now I want to show you the front wheels before I set this down. Okay, the front wheels do have shocks. You see the shocks? Alright, now I'm going to set you down to do the configurations and everything else. Now, it does have swivelability. See, it's very easy to maneuver, as you can see. Super easy. If you live in an apartment like I do, where you have to go upstairs, you can lift it to do so. And that was actually my ending factor for this stroller, because I looked at the Graco Do modes at the Target, and its sit and stand has wheels on what I call the skateboard piece. And when you did this, it would kick you off the big wheel here, and it would put it on the little tiny wheels that's on the skateboard piece. And I didn't feel that would be safe, considering, 100 pounds a kid, not very safe. So that was my ending factory on why I got this stroller. Now, to the configurations. Alright, now, it does have good size canopy with the peekaboo. You can't really see that, so let me. With the peekaboo window here, so you can look in on your kid periodically. Now, if you wanted to adjust the height of the seat, there's you see this little white clip here? You just kind of pull it up as far up as you can get it, and now you can move it in whichever direction. Now, in my opinion, I would not recommend this stroller for anybody that's got twins, multiple children, different ages, whatever, any child that is under the age of 6 months, because of the limited ability to recline, where it doesn't fully recline. I would not recommend it for a child under 6 months. So, that being said, to the positions. Okay, now, if you push this little, if you push this little gray spot right here, you just push it in, see it comes out. Okay, now you turn it around toward the parent, whatever. What's going on? Okay. Now, as you obviously just noticed, when you go to do this position, it is a little tight of a squeeze. Okay, so your children, you may not be able to do this configuration. I can, because I've dealt with enough strollers in my life to be able to. So, anyway. Now, in this position, they are, one's facing you, one's facing out. They're what they call back-to-back. So, now, do this. And as you can see, that was a lot easier to do that way. And now they're both facing parent. Now, if you do that again and switch the seat around this way, now they're facing each other. Or you can, wait, I already did that position. I already did that position. Okay, yeah. Or you can take this seat off, and now it becomes a sit and stand stroller. Now, with that, you have this one here, okay, will stop your child from going too far forward, okay. Now, it does have a harness here. Now, if you're like me, I actually had to move the part that goes around the bar because it was way down here closest to the seat, and I felt that was just too much slack in it, so I did move it down. And like I said, your child can sit, or they can stand, and this will keep them from, going too far. I will be tightening this part of it before I do that, or before my child is able to do it. Now, like I said, this stroller weighs 30 30 some pounds. I think it's 32 to be exact. So it's pretty light. Now it is a Toys R Us exclusive, so you can only buy it on Toys R Us. Now, if you go to Toys R Us, it will tell you that this stroller cannot be folded with the seats. But I have found that that is not true. Okay, if you put both the seats in the forward-facing mode, it actually gives it the ability to stand as well when you fold it. The seats kind of play as I don't know how to say it, but the seats kind of make the ability for it to stand, basically, from the hard frame, and when you go to fold it, there's these two little gray things right here on the handlebar, as you can see, and you just pull them up. Just pull them up. Yeah, like this. That canopy has to be past this bar in order for it to fold. So, and like I said, you just pull that up. Now, it does not automatically lock in place, so you will have to do that. And now it can stand. And as you can see, hold on, let me get it to where you can actually see. As you can see, the bottom of this turns it into, where it can actually stand. Without the seats, you have to lay it flat because it cannot stand. Just so you know, if you decide to take one of the seats off, I would recommend taking the one that is in the front off. The one closest to the parent, I would recommend leaving on so it can still stand. If not, it's just going to kind of, which I will show you. Matter of fact, I will show you that just so you can see what I'm saying. Now, okay. Now, if you take this off, you see how that seat kind of keeps it from folding. Don't ask me why, I don't know. So, like I said, I would recommend, if you're only going to do one of the seats, that you actually take the one that is in the front off when doing so. And that the seat is facing forward and not toward you, or it won't fold either. Now, as you can see with this configuration, it just kind of lays down. Okay? So you can see that? Yeah, okay. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean about it facing the other direction. Now, if you have it where it's facing you, this is what it does. As you can see, the bar can't go past it. It's stuck right there. That's as far as it's going to fold because of the seat. It's blocking. So, that's why I said forward face, and I will be using, I'll be leaving both of them on just because it has the ability to stand when you do that. So, But yeah, that's basically it, everybody. Said it's got the swivelability. You can lift it for places where there's steps. And like I said, I would not recommend this stroller for a child under the age of 6 months, unless you have the snap fit car seat, because the rest of them are not compatible. And it's 32 pounds. The seats hold to 50 pounds max. And I believe the sit and stand is the same, 50 pounds. Well, that'd be about it. I hope you liked my video. Whether this is a fit for your family or not, only you know that. It is for mine. But anyway, that's all I got for you. So, hope you liked my video. If you watched it, like and share. Leave comments below. Tell me what you think. And I hope everybody enjoys their baby Trent Snap Fit double stroller, if that's what you decide to purchase. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.